Hi, welcome to Dux-Soup. Dux-Soup makes it easy to send automated personalized messages to first-degree LinkedIn connections. Do a LinkedIn search of your target audience. Then filter your results by first-degree connections. When your search is ready, click Options at the top right of the Dux-Soup menu and select Send a personalized message to first-degree connections. Type a personalized message in the text box, using the placeholders to replace the words you want personalized. Now, return to your profile search in LinkedIn. Click Visit Profiles in the Dux-Soup menu. The Auto Visit window will appear. Click OK to begin visiting profiles and sending messages. Your sent messages will appear in your LinkedIn messaging dashboard. Most recent messages will appear at the bottom of the message thread. Happy Duxing!